edition of Trials Fusion on the Xbox One. Thought I'd see what all this extra content's all about, and well, what it's giving me to use for this challenge is, well, it's a unicorn with a cat holding a gun. Because why the fuck not? This will be tragic. I promise you that. It's breathing fire out its nose. What the hell just happened there? Oh, crash my unicorn! It's a very excitable unicorn, clearly. No, I keep crashing my unicorn. Isn't going well. I mean, I'm more interested as to why the cat's holding a gun, but whatever, what it is. Very odd. Okay, I'm back in space. I'll be crashing my unicorn. What the hell is going on? I will get back to this. Really on the unicorn. Oh, come on. Another bitch. I have mostly thought this virus now. I'm going to look off. What's that? Nothing wrong with this level like that. It usually takes about a minute. Yeah, bronze medal because I don't think it wanted me to crash with it. Yeah. Yeah, you're allowed. Yeah. Yeah. Well, there you go. I just rode a unicorn. That was odd. Right.